All right, Insta360 premium lens guard for the Insta360 One X2. That's the box, that's how it arrived. Let's see what's inside and also how those lenses fit over my 360 X2 camera. So, opening the box. First I see that it's not a return because it has the seals here and here, so that's great. Often check for those seals. If they are missing or cut, that means you get a return. Now that the seals are out of the way, let's open the box and see what's inside. There is a tab here, very handy tab that you can just use to pull the content out of the box. Be careful to avoid any falling, that's all for the box, any falling, because if the lens is exposed, it could fall on the floor, so always do that on the top of the table like myself. Here is some user manual for installation, and the lens itself, it's completely buried inside this box. Let's see how it opens. So I have the lens itself, and it comes with this pouch apparently, and that's it. Now let's open everything, see what we get. Here should be a pouch, maybe transportation slash storage pouch. Here we go. With Insta360 logo on it. It's some kind of velvet pouch, very soft material. All right, let's see for the lens itself now. Immediately, one negative side of this packaging, it's like the sticky part here immediately tend to stick on the lens here, so we'll leave some sticky residue. Be careful of that, so I don't like that too much. Here we go, the lens, it's out of the bag. Having a quick look now. Check for scratches. There is like a little dust that I can see here. So I'm going to use this fiber cloth to try to eliminate all those imperfections, dust and the like. Never use your shirt or a rough paper towel. Always use this soft fiber cloth to clean your lenses. This one and of course the lens of the camera. What is bothering me right now is that there is still this little, I don't know if it's a dust or scratch. There is something here. You can see it very well here. Let's see if I can remove it from inside. So, opening the buckle here and another buckle here. It's open like so. Now let's try again with my fiber cloth. Also something that can help, it's air spray like so to chase all the dust from inside those protective lens. Let's see if I manage to remove the culprit that I had before. Yep, look like that did it. It's gone now. Good. Now, same applies to your 360 X2 camera. Always clean the lenses, avoid any dust or air between this lens and the lens guard. Now, according to the user manual, installation should be as follows. I'm going to align one of the lens with the front lens or the back lens, whatever, but you need to align one of the lens correctly first, like so, and then you bring back the second lens, like so. They have to be perfectly aligned with the both lens of the 360 camera. Once you are happy, just hold here at the base and close here those notches. One, I'm going to hold again, squeeze a little bit and close those notches on the side. All good. One last fingerprint removal from manipulating those guard, and that's it. Now the lens guard is installed on the 360 X2. One of the good functionality of the bag, it's not only for the lenses, but you can put the whole camera with the lens inside if you like to carry it that way. Because before, what I was using before for my camera, it's one of those case, which is very great for the camera itself, but as you can see now, with my lens guard, it's not fitting in the case anymore. So if you have one of those cases, be careful. If you buy this particular model of lens guard, you will not be able to use this case anymore unless you always remove your protection before to put the camera back in the case, which could be annoying. So in this case, I advise you to just use the bag that come with the lenses to store your camera. All right, this is a video with the Insta360 One X2 without the lens guard. So 360 One X2 bare lenses, just the basic lenses that comes with the camera. Give you an idea the difference between those lenses, the lens that comes with the camera and the premium lens, protective lens that Insta360 offers. There we go, Insta360 X2 without the protective guard lenses, the premium one. Alright, here is an example of the 360 X2 with the lens, the guard, the lens with the lens guard, premium lens guard on. So 360 X2 with the premium lens guard on. .360 X2 with the premium lens guard on. All right, so that was a video about how to put these lenses, the premium lens guard for the 360 One X2, how to install them on your camera as well, and what comes in the box. Hope this video has been useful for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.